Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving right into how to use ClickUp for remote team time zone management, the complete 25 guide. Let's get started. First, you'll want to create a new workspace in ClickUp. This is where your team will collaborate on tasks and projects. This step is vital because it sets the foundation for all your team's work and coordination. Now that we've done that, you'll need to add your team members to this workspace. In the lower left corner, click Invite and fill out their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone can access the workspace and contribute to the tasks. Once your team members are in, the next crucial step is to set their individual time zones. Go to the People section, click on a member's name, and then select Edit Profile. This is where you can specify their time zone. This step is important because it helps you keep track of when team members are available for meetings or deadlines, considering their local time. Next up, you can utilize the Box View feature. This allows you to see everyone's tasks and their respective time zones at a glance. It's a handy tool because it gives you an overview of what everyone is working on and when they'll be doing it, according to their time zones. Finally, you'll want to leverage ClickUp's time tracking feature. It tracks how much time each member spends on a task, which can be crucial for managing productivity across different time zones. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you optimize your team's workflow and ensures that tasks are completed efficiently despite the geographical differences. And that's it. You've just learned how to use ClickUp for managing remote teams across different time zones. This will significantly improve your team's efficiency and coordination. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, successful team management is all about effective communication and organization. See you in the next video.